So in past videos, when we've been dealing with vinyl gates, we've been installing this latch, but there's a lot of steps to it. You got to drill a couple holes through the post. You got to put the latch on. The bonus is you can open the latch from both sides of the gate. But I'm here today to tell you, hey, there's an easier way now, and I want to show it to you. You have a nice, easy latch installation now, and everything happens on the face instead of going through the post. So you just stick this up to your post, put it right where you want it, and screw it on the post. And the installation time is a third of what it was on the last latch. This is going to be for a 5x5 vinyl post application. And for demonstration purposes only. So we already have a latch on this gate, and I'm not going to take this one off. I'm just going to add another one. We just need to figure out how we want to mount this. Which way do we want the gate to swing? Obviously, we want the gate to swing out because that's the way it's going. There's one small little problem. This works off of gravity, so the gravity is pulling it down to make it work, and we want the latch to be on this side. Well, gravity is pulling it down to not work so much. So what we need to do, we need to swap this for this and just transfer them over. So we need to pull this latch assembly off and install it over here. And we're going to take the push button and install it where the latch is. And then we're going to pull this guy off and just install him over here. And then we have our spring back. And a screwdriver does work a lot better than using a drill like I first was. Our latch is working again. It's super easy. As one of the very few Wyoming-based franchise companies out there, we're launching territories right now in Idaho, Utah, Colorado, Montana, Nebraska, and Wyoming. And if you've always watched our videos and thought, I could do that, this opportunity may be for you. They give you nice oblong holes here so you can adjust your latch. What I like to do is go in the center and then test it, make sure it's correct. And as soon as you get that done, put the rest of them in. And just like that, it's done. Unlike a lot of the big box store latches, it comes with a key and it comes with a lock. A huge plus to this, you can lock and unlock from both sides. Pull the key out and now you can't open it. But you can come on this side and open it. The hardest part that we had was actually looking for the screw that I dropped. This is a great simple latch and it takes all the complex thought process out of it that this one required. If you'd like a latch like this, make sure and see the link below. It's Dan with SWI. We are Wyoming's Fence Company. We hope you have a good dang day.